Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you on this device how to bypass screen lock protection on the following phone, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation through the recovery mode. So let's imagine the situation that you forgot your pattern, PIN or password and you would like to somehow use your device. There is a way to do it, but you will lose all your data. So you can accomplish this bypass by hard resetting your device, so by deleting all internal storage, personal settings and other stuff. Let me show you how to do it. At first, you need to start by holding power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Power key and volume up, choose here power off and wait until your device will be fully switched off. Then you need to use this combination key again, power key and volume up. So let's keep holding both keys, power key and volume up. You can release them as soon as POCO logo pops up. And this is the Xiaomi HyperOS recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's choose here wipe data. Scroll down to choose wipe all data and press power key to confirm it. You need to confirm it one more time, so let me do it. As you can see, the phone is formatting all personal stuff, deleting screen lock, but also other internal storage. Data wiped successfully, so you can go back to the main menu, press power key to reboot again, and again power key. The device is restarting and rebooting. It may take a while because it is like the first rebooting after the hard reset, so the phone is preparing the initializing setup process, so let's wait. Alright, as you can see, the Xiaomi HyperOS initializing setup process logo is on the screen, so it means that the hard reset is done and bypassing of your screen lock is also done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.